Hey guys, so today what I want you to do is I want you to go through all of your restaurant social media. I want you to go through, find your business profile on Google and just check all of your information is absolutely accurate when it comes to your restaurant. There are lots of different things that you can add on sites like Facebook and you can add on Google Business, which will really help and make sure that you can get business to your restaurant. But things like incorrect location information, if you've got, for example, an incorrect phone number somewhere, or if there are any mistakes, this can end up hurting your profiles. When you've got a lot of accurate information that's pointing to your restaurant, it makes it much easier for certain search engines to get you to prop up and do well in search results. So hopefully this will help make sure that you're appearing where you need to be. So for example, there are some restaurants that have the wrong category, for example, when they're putting the restaurant up. So for example, I've seen an Indian restaurant that I've worked with that was in the wrong category. I think they were in either Thai or Chinese, which was very weird. Somebody set their thing up for them. I think they parted ways in a not very friendly tone. But if someone else has set your social media up, even if you set it up yourself, it's really important that you just go and check those things. Now, one thing I will say is if you are blogging and you're working on making blogs and content for your restaurant, that stuff should be being posted to your social media as well. Make sure that you're doing that. Make sure you post it to your business profile as well, because you never know when you're going to get link clicks through. If you actually put a bit of tracking information, and I'm going to be making a video on how to add that at some point. So if you want to put some tracking information in there to find out whether or not people are coming in from specific sources, that's pretty easy stuff. So definitely recommend just go through, check everything and make sure that it's working and it's working as intended. Now there's another reason that you need to keep an eye on things like your business profile. There are sometimes people who will go on and they do like this espionage stuff where they'll change something in your profile and say that it's wrong. Now, this is very dangerous because there are some marketers who will go out there and snipe business profiles. So if you've got competition that is using a marketer, there's probably a good chance that you've seen a lot of AI content of people who've never come into your restaurant, for example. These are the sort of times when you need to be very careful. Make sure you're checking up on that information. It happened to me the other week. Somebody changed one letter in they changed one letter in our website address just for the ordering system, and all of the ordering system went down in terms of traffic. So you've got to be really careful with this stuff and just keep a constant eye on it. Anyway, hope this helps. Bye.